Hey, this is Part 64 guy, and I've got a kind of an impromptu repair job I have to do. What happened was, after about 16 years of hanging on the wall, this picture came crashing down, and looks like root cause was the hanger ripped out of the drywall. Now, normally the drywall, this sits flush against the wall. The nail's at an angle, so that way the forces are more downward and not pulling out. Looks like the paper and the gypsum actually broke, and this just kind of ripped away. So what I'm going to do is fashion up this little plate, and you can see here I'm drilling, just drilling it out. This is actually a scrap of aluminum that I had, and yeah, I'm going to put this in so that way the hanger will be sitting against that and have that extra support from metal that will keep it from tearing away, because that I need to keep this in the exact same place because of the arrangement of the pictures. And now I'm going to have two screws over here that are going to help distribute that force into a stronger area of the drywall. And take some wood filler and just apply a little into here just to give it a little bit of something. Since I want to have this in exactly the same spot, I'm going to use the same hole and fit the picture hanger back on. So that'll keep the height and centering of the picture the same. And then we'll use a couple of drywall screws. This picture actually has a tab on here. You can see it there, so I need to catch that into the picture hanger. There we go. Okay. Okay. As you can see, we are back in business. So quick and easy fix. I think that should hold for years to come. And yeah, didn't take too long, as you can see. So, once again, if you have a problem, you take a look at it, see what it would take to do a quick and easy fix, but also one that will last. You don't want to do something quick and then you have to fix it again later. So thanks for watching, and check out my other videos. I do have a whole bunch of different do-it-yourself projects. If you have any ideas, suggestions on things you'd like to see me do, or products you'd like to see me review, I'm getting into that a little bit as well. Drop me a message in the comments, and I'll see what I can do to accommodate you. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button down there, hit the notification bell, and that way you'll know when I'm posting new videos. I don't post too often, but when I do, I try to make sure that they're useful and good quality videos. If you see anything you'd like to see me improve, any suggestions, by all means, shoot me a comment. And with that, I'll leave you with a thank you, and this is Part 64 guy. See you later.